For you to flash a light on the topic Introduction to Programming of the subject Display Elements in One-Day Elements. Myself K. Charantha Reddy. I am pursuing my stream of Engineering, Computer Science in C. Ramanjan Institution of Technology. My topic is Display Elements in One-Day Array. First of all, Introduction to One-Day Elements. One-Day Array fundamental data structure is programming. The store of collection of elements in single dimension. Understanding how to display elements in circular or data manufacture. Defining an array, one-day array. One-day array is a sequence item stored in continuous memory location each. Each element can access it using its index storing starting from 0. It allows from efficient retrieval and manipulation of data. Initialization one day. Initialization involves in defining the array and assigning value. In many programming languages, this can be done in single line. In how many languages there maybe it can be, but it can complete in single line. For example, we can take an array can be initialized with specific values 1, 2, 3. Assessing array elements. Array elements are occurs assessed using their index in square brackets. For instance, array 0 refers to the first element, whereas we take a 0 in a bracket, it refers for array. The method allows for accurate access to any item in the array. Now we'll talk about the displaying of all elements. To display all elements, loop is commonly used. Loop statement is commonly used for all elements. A for loop iterates through each index of array. Each element can printed sequentially during the iteration. Using different programming languages, various programming languages offer different syntax for displaying arrays. For example, we'll take in the Python, printf function is used directly in Python. Where we take in the Python, printf is compulsory. In C++, count is often used for conjugation with loop display element, formatting output. Displaying elements can be enhanced with formatting. For example, elements can be separated by commas or spaces. Is the process related or presentation of output? Common mistakes off by one array after requiring accessing array indicates forgetting and including a loop can result in on elements being a display. Understanding the array is the length of circular to avoid these issues. Now we'll talk about the particular application. Displaying elements of one-day array common in data analysis. It also is in the user reference for showing lists of items. Now we understanding the concepts of the fundamental for a more complex data structure. Conclusion. Last I conclude up to my opinion. Displaying elements in one-day array is simple, weight powerful evaporation. For arrays and for displaying any array, one-day element is equal. Mastering of concepts and insertion overall problem skills. Participating with different array, we will solidify understanding and proficiency. Feel free to customize any part presentation as needed. Thank you. Now we discussed about 9 points. First of all, we discussed about introduction to 1D array and defining 1D array, and installation of 1D array, and assessing of 1D array, and display of all elements using different programming languages, and formatting output, and common mistakes and particular application. This is what we discussed about the 1D array, in particular this program. Thank you.